Atomic Habits: How Tiny Changes Create Remarkable Results. Book summary. Most of us dream of big transformations, getting fit, starting a business, learning a new skill. But here's the truth. Lasting success almost never happens overnight. It's built day by day through small, consistent actions that compound over time. In this video, we'll break down the powerful ideas from James Clear's best-selling book Atomic Habits. And I'll show you how making tiny changes in your daily life can transform who you are, what you achieve, and how you feel about yourself. Ready? Let's start with the most important idea. Tiny changes matter more than big goals. James Clear uses the idea of atomic habits. Habits so small, they seem almost trivial. But just like atoms are the building blocks of everything around us, small habits are the building blocks of remarkable results. Imagine improving just 1% every day. That might sound like nothing, but over a year, that's almost 37 times better than where you started. On the flip side, getting 1% worse each day leads you almost to zero. A real-world case. In 2003, British cycling was a national embarrassment. Only one gold medal in 100 years. Then performance director Dave Brailsford introduced the principle of marginal gains. 1% improvements in dozens of areas, from bike seats to hand-washing technique. Within 5 years, they dominated the 2008 and 2012 Olympics, won 5 Tour de France titles, and rewrote cycling history. This is how habits work. They're the compound interest of self-improvement. Each small decision, like reading 10 minutes a day or saving a few dollars, doesn't seem like much now. But over time, those tiny actions multiply into massive outcomes. Most people set goals: lose weight, get promoted, make more money. But goals are not what separate winners from losers. Everyone has them. What separates them is the system, the set of daily habits and processes that make those goals inevitable. For example, a goal is to run a marathon. A system is a training schedule you follow every day. A goal is to grow a YouTube channel. A system is uploading weekly videos and improving each one. Goals set the direction. Systems create progress. As Clear says, you do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Instead of asking, what do I want to achieve? Ask what daily habits will naturally lead me there. One of the most powerful insights from Atomic Habits is that real, lasting change isn't about what you want to achieve, it's about who you want to become. James Clear describes 3 layers of behavior change. Outcomes: what you want. Lose weight. Write a book. Processes: what you do. Exercise. Write daily. Identity: what you believe. I am an athlete. I am a writer. We often start with outcomes. But identity is where real transformation happens. Instead of saying, I want to read more, say, I'm a reader. Instead of, I want to save money, say, I'm a careful investor. Every time you act in alignment with that identity, you vote for the person you want to become. Over time, these votes add up to a new version of yourself. The habit loop. All habits, good or bad, follow a 4-step neurological loop. 1. Cue, a trigger that initiates the behavior. 2. Craving, the motivation or desire. 3. Response, the action you take. 4. Reward, the satisfaction you receive. Example: cue, you feel stressed. Craving, you want relief. Response, you eat junk food. Reward, you feel comforted, temporarily. Understanding this loop gives you the power to redesign it. Replace the response with a healthier one, like going for a walk. And over time, you'll rewire the loop itself. The 4 laws of behavior change. 1. Make it obvious. Restructure your environment so the cues for good habits are visible and easy to act on. For example, Want to eat healthier? Put fruits on the counter and hide junk food. For example, want to exercise? Lay out workout clothes the night before. 2. Make it attractive. Use temptation bundling. Pair a habit you want with one you enjoy. For example, only watch your favorite show while on the treadmill. Also, surround yourself with people who have the habits you want. Behavior is contagious. 3. Make it easy. Reduce friction. Make the good habit the path of least resistance. For example, want to read more? Keep a book on your pillow. Apply the 2-minute rule. Start habits so small they take less than 2 minutes. For example, read 1 page of a book. Or do 1 push-up. 4. Make it satisfying. Reward yourself immediately to reinforce the behavior. We are more likely to repeat a behavior when the experience is satisfying. This is entirely logical. Feelings of pleasure, even minor ones like washing your hands with soap that smells nice and lathers well, are signals that tell the brain, this feels good. Do this again next time. Here is a summary of the 4 laws, step by step, that you can apply to create a good habit. The 4 laws are applicable also when you want to break a bad habit. So here's the big takeaway. Small habits make a huge difference. Focus less on big goals and more on daily actions. Design systems that work for you. Build habits around who you want to become. Remember, success isn't a single breakthrough moment. It's the result of hundreds of small wins stacked on top of each other. This video was a brief summary of the main points from the book Atomic Habits. We highly recommend to read the book, or you can listen it right here. Thanks for watching.